Well, I was working the old exploder here, and the fuel pump just quit a week ago. I ordered a high quality one. It's got the mark of quality on it. It's just good enough for this. So we're going to toss this on and get the old exploder going again. A little short video, and we'll get it running and then go beat the crap out of it. Precision Auto Lab. Yeah, I got this one direct from Chicken Lao Mein Industries. I'm sure it will last just as long as this last electric one did. It comes with this built-in fuel filter that does nothing. And the whole assembly is loose, so that's nice. And that's where we hid the old Chinesium pump, right under the frame here. Somehow that lasted like 2 years. So much crap everywhere. Ugh, just break. Ugh. Ugh. Well, there's some gas. Oopsie. I put it together too good. That's what the problem is. I'm in the field, literally. And I don't have my full complement of tools with me. Let's see. Follow that way. I'm just gonna put one screw back in this probably because I'm lazy. Chinesium special butt connectors here. And we're all wrapped up. Let's see if it turns on. You can hear it running and nothing's pouring out. Damn thing. Aha! Safety first. Beautiful. Just leave all the barbed wire and stuff in the back before you go doing stupid things. You'll be fine, maybe.
Does this full rest of work?
Yeah, something goes clankety clank in it. I don't know. Seatbelt. That was cool.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it came unhooked on me twice. I thought I heard a tire going down.
Uh-oh. It's just your average, like, Saturday here. That is barely on there.
That's fine.
Okay. On the shackle, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Full send mode, engage. You know that disclaimer where I say I'm an idiot? It runs in the family. You see how good that original trans cleaned up?
Yeah, it looks good.
I got a guy to rebuild it. Said anywhere from $650 to $950.
Weird.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Brakes look great.
They do, actually. It's not bad. Needs a little help.
It's like,
Not supposed to be mud in the tires? Hot time. I don't think Fix-A-Flat was going to fix it.
no.
See, when you see that, you know it's not good. What we're doing now is adjusting the torsion rods to get some more height.
See where the mud is?
Here?
Somewhere back there. Why is there a chain hanging out from underneath it?
Ah, yes, see. Uh-huh. That's optional. That's why it quit running.
You ripped the power wire off.
Yep.
Is well, there's a gear sitting on top of the fuel tank.
Well, you see, you know, you just... That's what you want. That's gonna do it for today. But, just a fun little video. Remember to hit like and all that stuff. So, we'll see you next time.